Welcome to the Natural Remedies channel and today's episode, where we'll uncover the top 10 reasons why some health experts argue that canola oil might be harmful. If you're someone who wants to make informed choices about what you eat, stay tuned as we explore the potential health concerns surrounding this widely used cooking oil. Number 10. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Most canola crops are genetically modified to resist pesticides. While the safety of GMOs is increasingly debated, an ever-increasing number of people prefer to avoid them due to potential long-term health and environmental impacts. Number 9. Highly processed. Canola oil undergoes a significant refining process involving high heat and chemicals like hexane. This heavy processing can strip the oil of its natural nutrients and lead to the formation of harmful trans fats. Number 8. Potential presence of trans fats. Speaking of trans fats, even small amounts can increase the risk of heart disease by raising bad cholesterol, LDL, and lowering good cholesterol, HDL. Number 7. High omega-6 content. While canola oil is low in saturated fats, it is relatively high in omega-6 fatty acids. Consuming too many omega-6s, especially when not balanced with enough omega-3s, can lead to chronic inflammation in the body, which is linked to several diseases. Number 6. Increased risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest that the high levels of omega-6 in canola oil could promote blood clotting and increase the risk of heart disease if consumed in excess. Number 5. Potential impact on memory and brain health. Emerging research suggests that consuming too much canola oil might negatively affect brain function and memory, possibly due to its high omega-6 content. Number 4. Chemical residues. The refining process of canola oil can leave behind trace amounts of chemical residues, which some experts believe could pose a significant risk to health over time. Number 3. Risk of oxidation. Canola oil is sensitive to heat, light, and air. When exposed, it can oxidize, forming harmful free radicals that damage cells and DNA. Number 2. Possible link to cancer. While the evidence is not conclusive, there are growing concerns that the trans fats and chemical residues in heavily processed oils like canola could increase the risk of certain cancers. And finally, number 1, nutrient deficiency. Because canola oil is highly refined, it lacks the nutrients and antioxidants found in less processed oils, such as extra virgin olive oil, making it a much less nutritious choice overall. Those are the top 10 reasons why canola oil might be harmful. While canola oil is a popular choice in many kitchens, it's essential to be aware of these potential health concerns and make choices that align with your health goals. On a final note, do please remember to hit that like button, and you're welcome to subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies. Thank you for joining us today. We know your time is valuable. Remember to stay informed. Read the labels when buying food and stay healthy. Until next time, do take care.